Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic video update for Thursday 21 of July. And Matic finally actually closed below this line that I gave you, 0.8924, and you can see so far it's actually moving to the downside. Now I was expecting this one to be a bull pennant, but the problem really is that the break didn't happen to the upside. The break actually ended up being to the downside as well, and this was really expected. Okay, really expected. The reason why it was expected is because, I mean, it's pretty much clear that you are really moving to the upside, and there is one place that it makes sense for Matic to actually drop, and I'm going to show you that place right now. So if I actually do bring in this trend line, then it could be the retest of a trend line at the moment. Okay, so there's something like that one. So let me just remove this line actually, and let's just take into account the cup and handle resistance, so right there. And there's a good chance that you, in the next coming few days, you actually do go down here to retest the 60 cents level, and that's where we're going to see what happens next. Can it hold it, maybe go back up after this place, or you can actually completely lose this level and you might shoot all the way to the downside for Matic and go for another huge dump to the downside as well. So be careful, guys. I just want to see the EMAs. Yeah, so the EMAs, you do have a bullish cross. That's amazing, right? So when the 10, the 20 and the 55 from the daily are crossing with one another, there's a good chance that you actually just go down and retest the EMAs and boom, even try to move up a little bit up. But the thing is that, this is an area that you never really retested. So back testing 0.60 makes more sense than anything else right now. So the only way to be bullish at the moment is to come up and break 9611. So don't think if it goes up like this, it's going to be bullish as long as it's below this level, because it can go up, make a double top, and still continue to move to the downside. Okay, so you gotta be careful. The only way to flip bullish is to actually break this level, back test, and you're good to go to that level. And that's it for today's update on Matic. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.